Hi, this video shows you how to make a reservation by first looking at suitable rates instead of starting with available room types. In this way, you can quickly and easily find the best rate or rate package for each guest and at the same time maximize your own sales. Open the reservation wizard window in the front office to find all available rate and room type combinations and pick the most affordable rate, the best room type, or some special package. When all capacities is selected, the wizard will show all available rate and room type options. Select arrival and departure dates, or pick an arrival date and the number of nights. When you do this, the departure date is filled in automatically. Select number of rooms and the total number of adults and children. Select rate group. The rate group determines what rates are available for a reservation. The list is updated to show all available rates for this rate group for the selected dates and number of guests. If you change the period of stay or the number of rooms, adults or children, the list will be updated. The list always shows the rates that are valid for the current date and other selections you have made. Sort the list by clicking its headings, for example by value to find the cheapest price, or by rate name to find a package that might interest a particular guest. When you select a rate, you also at the same time select the room type that this rate is connected to. The room's left column shows how many rooms of this type are still free. If you wish, you can select several rates. Fill in guest details. After you have typed a few characters, the program can find a guest who has stayed with you before, and you can select the guest record you want with the Use button. Alternatively, you can press Guests and search among all guest records. If you can't find a matching guest, fill in their details. Select Segment and Reservation Route. These selections are important because they give you useful statistics about your reservations. If your hotel is full, you can either overbook or put the reservation on a waiting list. Save and close the reservation by pressing OK. The reservation appears in the front office view. Because no specific room number was pre-allocated, the reservation is at this stage gray. To make it easier to spot the reservation you last handled, it is shown on a light green row. Thank you for watching this video about the Hotellinx Cloud reservation wizard, and don't forget to watch our other Hotellinx Cloud videos as well.